Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Charles Schwab for retirement planning easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Charles Schwab homepage. If you already have an account, click on the login button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Open an Account button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, hover over the Investing tab in the main menu. Select Retirement from the drop-down options. You will see various resources related to retirement planning. Review the retirement planning tools available, including calculators and educational articles. To get started with your retirement planning, click on the Retirement Calculator. Enter your current age, planned retirement age, and the calculator will provide you with insights on how much you need to save. Based on the calculator's recommendations, decide on a monthly contribution amount. Next, navigate to the Investment Products section under the Investing tab. Explore options such as retirement accounts, mutual funds, and ETFs specifically designed for retirement. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. Follow the prompts to complete the application for the chosen retirement account. After your account is set up, begin funding it by linking your bank account. Transfer your recommended monthly contribution into your retirement account. Once your account is funded, start selecting investments based on your risk tolerance. You can use Schwab's research tools to evaluate mutual funds and ETFs. Diversify your portfolio by including a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Set up automatic contributions to ensure consistent saving towards retirement. Regularly monitor your account to track performance and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Consider scheduling a consultation with a Schwab advisor for personalized retirement guidance. Utilize retirement resources available on the site to stay informed about market changes. Stay proactive about your retirement planning to ensure you meet your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.